going on, awesome people? I don't usually make videos like these. I'm sure a lot of you guys know. I was waiting for the right product to come along. It's always been a dream of mine to have a sponsorship. I had a lot of really strange offers for like Chinese bathrobes for women. I think maybe they had me and Daria mixed up probably. But I came across a product that had a lot of genuinely good reviews and was quite affordable. Packaging's pretty standard for these eyeglasses, like the title says, and also the case here, it's really colorful. It says the company name on it, and then it says you define your look. That's pretty cool. And then you got some gift cards in here you can give to your friends. Pretty little gift cards. Got 3 of them. 50% off for one of your friends. And then this case here is really sleek, like a baby blue color. Pretty sleek, nothing to complain about. And then the actual eyeglasses themselves here. And another reason I wanted to do this, outside of it, like I said, always just being a dream of mine to have a sponsorship, was I honestly do not like how overpriced, being quite frank, a lot of the eyeglass places are out there. And then if you want a prescription too, it's even more money that they charge you. So check out their website, guys, if you wear eyeglasses. They have a lot of promotions, a lot of really good discounts. You can get a prescription pair at a really, really good price. So yeah, you all have a great day, and thank you for watching.